We are going to revenge all the death of all Biafras. Simon Ekpa. Biafra Liberation Army, we are fully ready to emerge and to make sure that they restore the Holy Land called Biafra. Biafra Liberation Army. Hello my people, welcome back to Balabas G's. If today na the first time you dey come across this wonderful channel, only thing wey you go do for us right now na make you go subscribe to our YouTube channel. Each of our video we are dropping our YouTube link below so that you go click there and go and subscribe. When you get there, turn on your notification button for more updates as e dey hot. You know, say anywhere where they talk through Facebook, no dey like am o, so that's why you have to go over there also go wait for us. Okay my people, may we look into the matter wey we get for hand today. No be small thing, no, things don happen. They say the PM wey be Simon Ekpa, the Biafra government in exile, don come outside talk say every Biafra wey Nigeria government kpai, they say no be small thing, say im go revenge with full force. And for those who kill Biafras in Aba, they go collect am woto. Simon Ekpa. I will also play you the video where Simon Ekpa dey talk this thing. I also play you a video when Biafra Liberation Army don come outside talk say they are fully ready to bring down all Nigeria Jetta fighter in Biafra territory. E come show some PRG and some other dangerous weapon. No be small thing o. We go play you the video. You know say we will not be military, we no know the name of all those things wey they carry for hand. Wetin we dey call am na iron, as im talk, im say na iron to iron. Okay, make we play you the video of Biafra Liberation Army. Then we will continue with a video of PM Simon Ekpa, which is the Biafra Republic in exile. So I'll play the two videos now. So let's go for one.
Biafra, these days we will finish all of you. So, good body, we are fully ready. This is a small. We have the one called iron to iron. If your fighter jet put head, we'll bring it down. If you come with a more tanker, we'll bring them down. I don't know. Asare Dokobo, you see how you have been killing innocent people. Look at me very well. I don't fart.
Okay, guys, as you have heard it, he said anybody no put body. Say if Nigerian military put body with their fighter jet, say they go collect, they get the one what they call iron. That be said that one. If you go reach inside heaven, come outside. No be small thing. The guy can't give a Masare Dokobo woto. Mr. Masare Dokobo, he say be full pig where they come out water for mat. He say they keep people, but don't worry, say they go come for him. And so we see am for here. Okay, may we go play you the video of the Prime Minister wey be Simon Ekpa, Biafra government in exile, wetin talk for your own side. May you still watch am. Stay tuned.
So we may be changing our tactics. And that's why it's very important. If you are living in those areas, please be very, very security conscious. Biafra Liberation Army will be sealing those areas any moment from now unannounced. Anytime the intelligence comes to us, we may handle it internally and deal with these criminals and terrorists once and for all. In the coming days, we are going to be announcing the next phase of our civil disobedience. I want every one of you to understand that the civil disobedience is yielding result. Exactly what we want it to do is what it's doing. That result that the civil disobedience, the 2 weeks sit at home and every Monday sit at home, is yielding tremendous result. I'm sorry. So this evening, we are giving the Nigeria terrorist state 5 good days to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. If after 5 days Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not released, we are going to come to make our next pronouncement on the next civil disobedience. which will be targeted in addition to the economy, will be targeted at government, making sure that the delegitimization of the government take place and start in full force with the next civil disobedience that is coming on board. The next line of action will be announced on the 1st of September 2023. On the 1st of September, there will be State of the Nation address where we are going to address Biafrans and make public the next line of action and the next civil disobedience to make sure that the Nigeria economy is crushed to ground zero. And so if you are serving Nigeria as a civil servant within Biafra territory, it is very important you tune to that particular State of the Nation address on September 1st. Those who are planning to send people to Finland during the Biafra referendum, self-referendum convention in Finland or summit in Finland, we are eagerly waiting for you to come. But remember, you may not go back. What we are trying to do is to create the highest awareness for Biafra liberation. The Biafra Republic government in exile have recorded the highest success ever recorded in Biafra since the war of 1967 to 1970. Today, because of the diplomatic hassle that has been going on secretly and openly, every country that has civilized has deserted Nigeria. Nigeria is evil. They have been able to know that Biafra people are fighting a just cause, for their right and for the right to live. And that is what the Biafra Republic government in exile, the media, and every one of you who have been part of this movement for the past 1.5 years, you have been able to achieve this feat. And we give glory to God first, and then we praise all of you who have been part of this particular success, financially, physically, and otherwise. And of course, our gratitude, our thanks goes to the Biafra Liberation Army and the Eastern Security Network. The volunteers, the civil engineering angels, the Black Marines, those who have volunteered to do everything humanly and inhumanly possible to see Biafra come. This particular gratitude goes to you. It is because of you that we are recording this success. But remember that we are not going to slack back an inch. This is a fight to finish. Those enemies who organize and send troops to kill Biafra people, we will not let them sleep. We want to inform them this evening that those people that claim they make Abuja a safe haven where they will stay and be committing crime against humanity in Biafra land, that we are in Abuja. Abuja remains part of Nigeria, and we are fighting to exit Nigeria. The fight is now taken to Abuja, and not only Abuja. If you run to Lagos, Biafrans will come there for you. And this is something that has become imperative. For those who have abandoned Biafra's struggle to continue to fight and blackmail Biafra, fellow Biafrans, and kill fellow Biafrans, we have a message for you. Continue and just start running. Just start running. You have done enough. The internal Idoakanono have started. Those who killed autopilot members in Abia State, in Aba, ordered by China Sanworu, those who slaughtered our people in Aba, start running. But one thing I will assure you this evening is that there will be no hiding place. Those who kill Biafrans are coming. I do not know why somebody who claimed to be fighting for freedom will turn around and kill a fellow freedom fighter who have done nothing. That is pure wickedness. Aloye Jimako, I am calling you today. You know the impunity that some people you are working with has committed. You know the atrocities Emmanuel Kano and Adanne Kanakbea, whatever she's called, the sister to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You know the atrocity they have committed. These atrocities was reported to you because you are close to them. I'm making it very open today to Biafra people that a lot of atrocities have been committed by Emmanuel Kano and the sister, directly and indirectly. And these particular activities and atrocities, Aloye Jimako was well briefed. But today, I want to make it very public to Biafra people so that they know that those who kill Biafrans will pay for it. The people you kill their colleagues, they are aware that you participated and your hands has been soiled in blood. Those you captured and kidnapped for mounting Biafra flag in Aba, the time has come for you to answer questions to the Biafra people. And there will be no hiding place. We're not going to look face. So those of you who have become the killers of your people, Biafra people will be asking you questions in due time.
Okay, my people, as you have seen it, no be small thing, no. Now be say big thing there for side so things go happen. No be small thing. So guys, now so we'll see and now say we bring and come give honor wey be our people wey dey support us for here. Abeg, what you go do, make you share this video, share it, share it and go and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, now what do you think for this video? Do you agree for wetin Simon Ekpa talk and the Biafra Liberation Army wey sit down for there with the big color talk for your own side? So what do you think? Leave your own comments below so that we go know what you think for this matter wey dey happen now. No be small thing, things are really happening. So he said that there is some people wey be say they be freedom fighter and they come turn around come dey kill their fellow freedom fighter. So I don't know who be those people wey they talk about, but only two wey we know is saying go revenge and he no go allow, we no go leave one stone behind, and Biafra must come in the end. Okay, my people, now so we'll see am. Stay tuned, we'll get many updates to bring for you today to watch. Okay, see you in the next video.